Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2024 23-foot LXB Bennington. All right, so this is the swingback layout. We got some cool features on here. We got the lit-up speaker grill in the back, lighted cup holders, of course the swingback sun pad layout with the L-shaped seating over here at the helm. Got the 9-inch Simrad, Rockford Fosgate, RGB lighting controls. This will have a Mercury 200 on it, so awesome boat, a lot of power, quiet. We got the radius seating up front, nice wide seat bases on the LX. We went with the carbon and the silver interior, movable cup holders. I'll get you a shot of the outside with the blackout package. This is a really nice looking boat. We got the sport windshield, awesome boat, great running boat. Come out, check it out. It's going to be at MarineMax, obviously here at the store, or it's going to be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. And we did a really cool thing here. We got the blue with the black smooth paneling and new graphics on the LX. Very, very cool. Great looking boat. All right, guys, thanks.